Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle for purchase comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. Some nice wood grain accent trim in this vehicle. Also have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Lumbar support, steering wheel, rear seats, and quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space here, and you can always push button to fold down those seats for extra storage, and push button to close. Let's go ahead and hop inside our vehicle. Mileage is currently at 8,897. Do have a push button ignition, and here is our touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. And you can access all the functions here using the touchscreen itself. Down here with the climate control, you also have some of those functions there for switching between radio navigation. You also have your command module down here. You can make adjustments on the display as well. And last but not least, our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.